Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody guys, let's take a look at the euro currency. So last week it was really very interesting price action. So different fundamental background stands beyond the market, especially on Friday. So the fundamental situation changed very fast. And as you can see, first in the beginning of the session market has dropped, and closer to the end of the session market turned in opposite direction. So from a technical point of view, it seems absolutely natural, because through the week and even before that we said that our major target is OP on the daily. So all other price action that could follow probably will happen as soon as the OP will be hit. That's why we were aimed on the OP and actually do not look at any other direction until this target will be hit. So on Friday this has happened. The next week is promised to be a bit quiet, because in the first half we do not have any significant data release, no statistics. In the United States it will be the President's Day on Monday, so the more or less available information we will get only on Wednesday, when the Fed minutes will be published. And that it's possible to us to count on the possible on the pullback on the daily chart. So this is normal price action. The market hits some OP target on the daily and doesn't have some external driving factors and stands on its own. It's normal actions from a technical point of view that retracement is started. So on the daily chart, from the technical point of view, again we have a bit wide, but still this is Gartley's triple to buy pattern. And as you know, the minimal target of this pattern is the 30% retracement of the body of the pattern. So it's approximately 1350 area. So the first fib level here. By taking a look at the higher levels, you can see that daily overbought accompanied with the 1440. This is the 618 resistance. Also on the common week, we probably should not rely on and should not expect some significant rally, because we have the sale somewhere around this area. But our minimal target will be stands right here. So that's the first destination point that we'll be watching for in the beginning of the week, at least in the first half of the week. It means that on intraday charts we need to keep an eye on the possible short-term bullish patterns that could point us where to take the position and could let us to better estimate the potential target. And for that purpose we will use the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, we have the butterfly that we have discussed on Friday as well. So if you remember, we said that 1-7 butterfly coincides with the daily OP target. The market shows sharp reversal up. Now we need to wait just some minor retracement to some of the fib level. Like this will be 1275 or 1260. It means that the two different patterns could be formed. First, a wider pattern, we could get some kind of reverse hand and shoulders pattern, and the retracement will be to the 1260. In this case, for example, we could get kind of the ABCD pattern, and the target will be right somewhere at 1335, 1340. And this coincides with a daily 30% resistance. Or another scenario that we could get, maybe we will not get the hand shoulders, but we could get Gartley's triple to buy. If market, for example, will show a kind of the ABCD action down. But in general, the projection of the possible target will be the same. This will be the same kind of the ABCD pattern here. So it means that on Monday we will keep an eye on possible pullback, possible retracement, watch for minor extensions to the downside. That could better let us to estimate the point where we could take the position. So that's actually the routine work that we usually do when we're searching chance to take the position. So you see it very often in our video. So that's just the work that we apply when we are searching for chance to go long. In the final moment that I would like to say here is, guys, right on Monday, euro could move slightly higher before the downward action will start, just because we have the OP that hasn't been hit. So if you will drop your time frame, for example, to the 15-minute chart, you will get here this A, B, C, D pattern. Its OP has not been hit yet, just for a few pips by this rally. And it means that in the beginning of the week, market could show some spike up to complete OP and then could start retracement. That's the price action that we will keep an eye on. As soon as market will complete the minimum target, we will see what to expect next. It will depend on the speed of the upward action, how strong rally will be, and whether it makes sense to count on some more extended upward action or not. So that's our view on the short-term perspective on the euro.